welcome to ForexMinute.com's review of PlusFN, a Forex broker. As you can see, I'm on the web page, the front page of the website. First thing, of course, is it uses the very well-known MetaTrader 4 platform that most of you should be comfortable with and should have experienced. They, of course, offer demo accounts and plenty of value-added features. Currently, as I record this, they are offering up to a 30% welcome bonus. That could change from time to time, of course, so certainly pay attention to that when you go ahead and sign up with them. There's plenty of education and analysis. So, for example, if you click on that, it gives you the analysis from Christopher Glenn, who is their analyst. There are trading signals that are available. There are webinars in there, of course, is the economic calendar. The performance of the actual brokerage itself will tell you that about their automatic tools and the like. Of course, you can go there. You can see that the deposits are pretty straightforward: Bankwire, Master Visa, and a Diners Club. You can download the MT4 platform directly from them. You can see that they're based out of the UK. The regulations in the UK certainly are much more stringent than many other countries, so that, of course, is a huge bonus. You can go to the banking tab, and then it just reiterates the withdrawal and deposit section, and what you can deposit in, dollars, pounds, euros. You click on the products, and it'll tell you what they offer. They do offer spread betting, and they do offer CFDs. It is primarily for Forex brokerage, but you can, for example, go to the commodities trading, and you can see gold, silver, platinum, Brent, soybeans, wheat, nat gas, pretty varied amount of trading instruments. And the CFDs are a little bit different in the sense, like this explains to you, that they are based upon the underlying. It isn't an actual futures contract that you're taking, say, in nat gas. But it is, it's a contract for the difference. You agree to pay or accept payment of the difference of the contract from which you bought it or sold it to the closing point. The About Us page tells about their technology. There are different account types. You can see that there's silver, gold, platinum, and elite. And it's pretty common to see 3 and 4 different types. This allows you certain things, like, for example, 39 FX pairs in a basic account, spot metals, commodities, indices, and CFDs on stocks. So as you can see, there, of course, are CFDs on stocks as well. Max leverage is a little higher. The max leverage on a larger accounts, more or less, to protect you, so you don't really blow your account out too quickly. You do get more webinars and such as you progress up the chain, so to speak. There is the contact information as well. You can see that there's always the message, of course. There is the local British phone number, and then, of course, email accounts. There is a bit in the way of news on the site. You can see that it's flashing headlines right now and prices. Pretty straightforward in the section with pretty much everything, except the fact is that the brokerage allows you to trade a lot of different markets, and that, of course, is huge. Those of you who are not used to trading futures may not understand exactly how expensive that gain can be. The margin on a silver contract, for example, is outrageous. You could be talking about tying up $12,000 just for the margin. So this allows you to trade the CFDs, which allows you to tailor size your position for an appropriate size for your account. If you have a $2,000 account, obviously you don't want to be putting $2,000 in margin on a position because you get closed out almost immediately. With a $2,000 account, you can try to build it up with smaller silver positions or whatever the case may be. You can see that they do give you plenty of information on the benefits of using them, the liquidity providers and such. Again, live chat to answer your questions. The daily analysis is pretty good from this site. Of course, you want to use your own analysis as well, but you certainly can't go wrong, at least seeing what some of the experts may say. So if you click on here, it'll tell you a bit more about this. As we go into that area, you can see that, for example, latest news is an Aussie selling signal. And this is some headline type stuff. Um, you know, break at the 79 level of the dollar index, for example, which at this point in time was pretty significant support. Should increase gold prices. So the beauty of that is you can take this and then you can perhaps trade gold. Here's another article with pound Swiss franc breakout to the upside, and you can see that we continue higher there. So a lot of information on this site, and certainly being regulated in Britain does not hurt either. It's the FSA is pretty strict with what they allow. So that being the case, it is in fact the PlusFN brokerage is in fact without a doubt a very good choice. The spreads are very comparable in the industry to pretty much anybody else. You can see that there are a lot of advantages to be able to take advantage of in the form of education and, of course, cross-market correlations.